What's up, everybody? We're here at Crown Dodge in the city of Ventura, California, taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 Dodge Durango GT. This is an all-wheel drive model with alloy rims, granite exterior, and black interior. As a certified Dodge, you get the peace of mind of a 125 multi-point inspection by a certified Dodge technician, a 3-month, 3,000-mile limited warranty, an 84-month, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty. This Dodge Durango has third row folding seats, comes with a clean CarFax with no accidents, has an 8-speed automatic transmission with a 3.6 liter V6 that gets 295 horsepower. It's got 18 in the city and 25 on the highway gas mileage. It also comes with heated front seats and heated rear seats. As you saw earlier, a third row seat as well. Obviously, it has great Bluetooth connectivity, keyless entry, backup camera, the power liftgate, rear parking sensors. It has a towing capacity of 6,200 pounds. Let's take a look at the inside here real quick. This thing is super clean again. 2018 Dodge Durango, certified pre-owned. I'm going to jump in real quick. You can see you got that automatic transmission shifter, paddle shifters, digital gauges. It's beautiful. If you're interested in this vehicle, call or direct message us today for more details. Thanks for looking at this. We're at Crown Dodge in the city of Ventura.